Hello everyone, I just received this package. And here is two phones. This is 6S. This is iPhone 8. Yes, look, it's a bad shape. Okay. So you see the SIM card? It's a little bit push it this way, so it means this SIM card reader is bad. This is gonna be a big challenge. I don't know if they want just the data or they want the phone to work. This is really bad shape. So we talk about this one later. See what they want to do to it. Because usually, like the phone in this shape, the customer bring you to fix the power, and you work for hours or days to make the phone turns on. Then you find the Wi-Fi doesn't work, Bluetooth doesn't work, or the SIM card doesn't work, network doesn't work. The customer doesn't want to pay for the work that you did on the phone. So this one later, and so let's check this one here. And these phones, they come from a repair shop. So the phone turns on. Yeah, I received this gift from a YouTube user, Wall, in New York. And this is the letter from this guy. And this is the gift. Some capacitors that I may need them later. So he fixed his device using one of my YouTube videos. After the job done, this is extra capacitors. And there is more capacitors. This is a good gift. Thank you so much. So the phone turns on. So touch screen work. It charged fine. It stopped charging. So it take about 300-400 milliamp. And it stopped charging. So now the phone is plugged in, but it's not charging. Like when you turn on the phone, you can see the amps go up. And it's go down to 0. So next I'm going to test another battery. So let's see how much voltage in this battery here. This one, it has 0 volt or very low volt. I'm going to plug it to the phone. Then we test to see if the phone gonna charge the battery when it's 0 volt. So the phone is giving no power to the battery. Zero volt. Let me test this one here. This one, it has 3.4 volt. So when I plug this battery, there is almost 1 amp charging. So that's good. So let me put this battery here and give it a little charge. So I'm gonna plug this one, plug it back, and it's charging. It's a 1 amp. Yeah, something else we need to test here. Without the battery, I'm gonna plug the phone, and I'm gonna watch the amps if it's gonna go jump up and down. You can see here the amps, it doesn't go up and down. This is a sign of the bad TriStar. The good TriStar, you're gonna see the amps go up and down when you plug the charger without the battery. So now this battery, it has over 3 volt. And it start charging. So let's plug the screen and see what happens if the phone turns on. This is just, I want to be sure is the TriStar issue or the battery issue. So we wait for the battery to charge, because I do have the battery symbol over there. Then we come back. So plug in the old battery. The phone is not charging. The phone is off. And if I unplug it, if I unplug the battery, gonna watch these amps. You can see it is go 500 milliamp or 50 milliamp, 60 milliamp, and go 0. So yeah, basically the TriStar still good. So I changed the TriStar with the same battery. You can see the screen is off, and it's taking about 800 milliamp.
Nearby is a 1975 version of the 911.
You can see it.
Moby Dick is a racing car designed in the late 70s for a home.
We get the screen off.
More than 28,000 victories.
Still 800 milliamp or 700 milliamp. Yeah, that's our original battery. This battery is old. It's about like 4 or 5 years old, and that's why we have a low amp here. The new battery is going to take about 1 to 1.2 amp, but this one is still going to work fine. So yeah, the problem in the phone is fixed, and it's charged both way. The screen is on or is off, and that's what it was the problem. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next one. Still with this phone, there is another problem. It shows no SIM. Did we damage the baseband when I was changing the TriStar? So let me check the SIM card, put it back. Still no SIM. What's this? You see the SIM here? It's not going all the way in. And look, there is something here. So I hope that's the problem. So there is a switch here, like when you push the tray inside, this switch is closed or open, and that's how it detects the SIM card is in and or out. So let's try to clean that and see if that's gonna fix the problem. Look at this SIM card too. The tray is look bent. Let's check. And here now we have the signal. T-Mobile. So that's what was wrong with this phone. So that's another issue that's been fixed. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you again.